Greetings of the day. This video is a presentation on ethics in IT done by Arun Venkatesh, Harita Shravani, Harshini and Maharasi. In this video, we'll be seeing about what is ethics, ethical problems in IT, ethics to be followed, world after ethics. What is ethics? Ethics is a set of moral principles that govern the behavior of a group or individual. Ethics is derived from the Greek word ethos. It means custom or habit. Ethics is defined as the discipline and practice of applying value to human behavior, resulting in meaningful conduct. What is ethics in IT? Ethics in IT is the application of classical ethical principles to the use of computer technology. There are various problems faced in ethics in IT. The main problem are privacy, property, access, and accuracy. Privacy is the ability of an individual or group to seclude themselves or information about themselves and thereby express themselves selectively. The main problem in privacy is the creating of false sense of security. Information stored are vulnerable. Property. Property here refers to physical and intellectual property and of course data as a property. Intellectual property are copyrights, trademark and patents. And the next problem is access. Access to computing technology, access to data is a problem here. And accuracy. Accuracy is a term used to describe anything that is near to its true value or recognized standard. For example, a computer may perform an accurate math calculation that is correct with the information given, but it is not the exact value. So, accuracy of information stored is a problem in ethics, in IT. 10 Commandments of IT Ethics. It is defined by the Computer Ethics Institute. Thou shalt not use a computer to harm other people. Thou shalt not interfere with other people's computer work. Thou shalt not snoop around in other people's file. Thou shalt not use a computer to steal. Thou shalt not use a computer to bear false witness. Thou shalt not use or copy software for which you have not paid. Thou shalt not use other people's computer resources without authorization. Thou shalt not appropriate other people's intellectual output. Thou shalt not think about the social consequences of the program you write. Thou shalt use a computer in ways that shows consideration and respect. Piracy. Piracy is copying or downloading software that violates the copyright. Various forms of piracy are reselling media, downloading from a website, tapping songs, buying a used book or CD, watching broadcast television by skipping television commercial. There are various types of piracy. The first one is end-user piracy. End-user piracy occurs when an individual or organization reproduces or uses unlicensed copies of software for its operations. The next type of piracy is client-server piracy. This type of piracy occurs when too many users on a central network are using a central copy of a program at the same time. This is also known as client-server overuse. Internet piracy. Internet piracy is the practice of downloading and distributing copyrighted content digitally without permission, such as music or software. Hard disk piracy is a commercial software piracy. System builders purchase a legal copy of software but then reproduce, copy or install the software onto another hard disk. Then a computer is sold with the hard disk containing the pre-installed software. This method of piracy is known as hard disk loading. Software counterfeiting. Counterfeit software would include the illegal copying and distribution of commercial software on CD or DVD along with any accompanying manuals with that original legitimate software was sold with. Counterfeit software is commonly produced using a CD burned to copy the software and photocopies are made of the manual. Information Technology Act 2000. In the year 2000, when privacy concern was the big issue for all the government business firms, Indian government passed the very first cyber law which is named as the Information Technology Act 2000. Computer crime. Any crime that involves a computer and a network is known as a computer crime. Computer used in the commission of the crime, or it may be the target. This is also a computer crime. There are various types of computer crime. The first computer crime is spamming. Sending large amount of restricted electronic message is illegal. People who send or create electronic spams are called spammers. Spamming is abuse of electronic messaging system for sending restricted bulk messages using a computer. For instance, sending many mails to people in order to conduct commercial benefits. Fraud. A dishonest way to make someone to do a loss which could make a profit for you in any case is a computer crime. The next type of computer crime is offensive content. Websites such as blogs publishing political, social, or religious information which could be suitable for one sector but harmful for the other is known as the offensive content. Harassments. Mail individual or a particular group and make offense on the basis of age, sex, caste or religion, etc. Virus. Creating tools to harm the computers of others in the form of virus is a computer crime. Hacking. Controlling computer of others, stealing information and data or use it to conduct a crime. What is a virus? Virus is a small software program that are designed to spread from one computer to another and to interfere with computer operation. Spreading of virus. Virus are spread easily. It is spread through email attachments, instant messaging, funny images, audio-visual files, downloading files from the internet, greeting cards and many more could cause virus to your device. There are various steps to avoid virus. Use Internet Firewall. Internet Firewall is a system designed to prevent unauthorized access to or from a private network. Use industry standard antivirus. Subscribe to any industry standard antivirus like Bitdefender, Kaspersky, Norton Antivirus Plus. Email attachment. Never open an email attachment for someone you don't know. Scan. Scan each and every attachment in your computer. Schedule scans. Run regularly schedule scans with your antivirus software. Do not use open Wi-Fi. Don't use free open Wi-Fi in coffee shops and airport, which are non-password or non-encrypted. Hacking. Hacker. Who is a hacker? Someone who bypasses the system's access controls by taking advantage of security weaknesses left in the system by developers. Evils of hacking comprise the security of system without permission from an unauthorized party, usually with the intent of accessing computers connected to the network. What do hackers do? They access confidential information, threaten someone from your computer, broadcast your confidential letters or mails, materials, store illegal material. Though hacking is considered a crime, there are various advantages of hacking. The first advantage is to determine problem and the weakness of the program, and creation of firewall. Useful for military purpose and spy. Better computer security. World after following ethics in IT. Stress-free growth becomes possible. Confidence of online activities will grow more. We can save up to 40% more time rather indulging in computer crimes. Today, IT is ranking number 1. After following ethics, it will grow 6 times more than what it is today. Thank you for watching the video. Let us follow some ethics in IT and make it a better world.